Okay, we're going to be doing the next big thing. It's going to be called screwdriver flip. A minute ago, I found out you can walk down here. There's no crooked doors. That if you just drop this, which is a screwdriver, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll get a bit closer. And I found out if you drop it, didn't work. It'll stick. And I'm going to try and flip it and see if it'll go straight down like that. I'm probably going to do a live stream on this in a little while. Maybe tomorrow. Oh! Straight! Oh, it's a bit hard to get out. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to know what I'm holding, this is a multi-thing. I believe it has a can opener, a knife, and a saw. And this top part right here is a hammer, which I'm flipping with it. I'm holding it by my 2 fingers right here. Oh yeah, don't do this without parental supervision if you're younger, because I know a lot of younger kids watch my channel. Don't do this without your mommy or daddy watching, okay? Oh! I don't know where the ducks are. Oh, they're over there. But, those ducks came up to me earlier when I had my hatchet out, which none of you know what a hatchet is. You cut tree downs with it. Not one of the things that goes boom. It's, oh, I'll go get it. You can stay out here and entertain them. Tell them about you.
Tell them about me. I'm Jesse's pal, Kim. He's going to show you what a hatchet is. You see the fish jumping in the water?
So,
He's back. This is a hatchet. Now that you see it, you probably know what it is. I just want a fish. Must have been a big one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna set that up here because I can probably get down. But let's try again. Oh yeah, Miss Kim, tell me when that gets to 10 minutes. The number is at the top. How many minutes has it been going?
4.
Okay. Because YouTube only lets me do 10-minute videos. I didn't flip it right back. Just flip. This is hard. But as you saw a minute ago, if you go straight down, it's closed.
It's hard because it's heavier on the top. It wants to land that way. You good?
Yeah, just got a bit of mud on me from this.
Ta-da!
That one didn't go very high. I want it to be going real high like that.
Good job.
I think the higher you get it, the better the chances may. I don't know that much about these. Once again, don't go stealing a screwdriver or anything out of the garage or a door your daddy keeps tools. And if you're older, I'm just saying daddy because most of the people that watch this are young. I know one of my first videos on my other channel, I think another YouTuber, I don't know his name, but he commented on one of my videos and told me I'm doing really good, and he subscribed and liked, which I think was my first subscriber. So shout out to him. I can't remember your name. Thank you. And if you're him, go into the comments and tell me your name. I don't check the comments because I feel like most people are gonna hate.
Almost.
Yeah, it went in the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Just a bit. It went like that, jabbed into the ground sideways. Which, it is the weekend, but by the time you're watching, it could be the weekend, but it could not be because that YouTube did just get an update and I can live stream now, so awesome. I might do a live stream tomorrow. How many minutes?
7. 3 to go.
I'm probably going to do another video after this. This will be a part 2. That got very close. Scared me.
I'm trying to keep up. I thought that one's going.
Me too. I think when it hit the ground, oh, the back of this went into the ground like that. But we're still trying to get the screwdriver. Backwards. No. This is where I want it to land. We'll just land. Oh, it went into the ground a bit. Just going. Just gonna throw it straight up.
Almost.
It went into the ground sideways. Oh yeah. Next video, which will be in just a few minutes. And this video has gone 10 minutes. I'm going to show you some stuff from different countries. Because today at my school was National Friend Day. And a bunch of people from different countries came to my school. And I got to keep some Mexican money and a passport to Mexico. I got a special Chinese rock and a bunch of stuff. I'll show you.
30 seconds.
Let's make it. Come on. We can make it. Tell me when. Woo. Oh!
That counts.
I've got to flip it straight.
Easy.
Flip it like that. Didn't work. That was very close to hit dog poo.
5 seconds.
Oh, come on. You can do it.
Easy. Right.